Hello, crypto world. Here we are, Sunday, midday in the United States, and it's already Monday in Asia, and crypto is really basically unchanged. We can see that it's been going on for almost a week. Just looking at the Bitcoin chart, you can see how it's chopping around and has been. This is a daily chart for quite some time. And what's kind of interesting is that there are so many geopolitical events that can affect all markets, and yet whether it's the stock market, it's almost at its all-time high, or it's the dollar, which is down a little bit but still is very strong, and crypto is basically unchanged. And yet these geopolitical things in the background have the potential to have momentous effect on crypto. We have the tariffs. What is that going to do to interest rates? What are the tariffs going to be? Nobody knows. The equity market is sort of ignoring it. Then we have the issue of what's going on in the Middle East. Gaza. I can't even go on to put aside for a second the human tragedy. What's going to happen with the price of oil? What's going to happen with the United States relations in the area? Then we move on to Ukraine. What's going to happen in there? All of these things have the potential, if you will, to affect all these markets. But right now, the markets are basically ignoring them. And I don't see how, in the near future, these markets cannot be affected by what happens. And what happens to the U.S. economy because of tariffs, etc. So I feel as if we are waiting for history to move the markets. And in crypto, we have this incredible potential legislation and Bitcoin crypto reserve possible, but we're not getting anything on it yet. Now, there is something that's really remarkable, and I only bring this up because it's a symbol. The president of Argentina introduced a meme coin. And the purpose of it was for the growth of their economy. Within 5 hours, it lost $4.4 billion. This is the chart of it. $4.4 billion was rug pulled in effect. And guess what's going to happen? International law firms are going to sue the Argentinian president for introducing this meme coin, which in effect died in a couple of hours. Now, I'm not getting into the politics of that. I am just pointing out that we had a president of the United States introduce a meme coin. We have the president of Argentina introduce a meme coin. His was, in theory, not for him, but for the country, whereas the one in the United States was for the president. But the bottom line is, there are many forces working in the crypto market, the geopolitical, these weird meme coin stuff, all of which I believe suggests that a storm is coming, and that storm may simply be the regulations. How are they going to regulate meme coins, etc.? So keep your seatbelt fastened. I'm not saying we're going up, and I'm not saying we're going down, but I think a storm is coming, and I'm not sure which way the wind's going to blow at the moment. And in particular, I'm concerned about the altcoins because they will have an overreaction, if you will.